Here's my top 3 favorite cryptos that could 10x. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? This is Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing stock market education for others to achieve financial success. So you can see right here, we have Tectum, okay? TET is the ticker for crypto. We have Tectum, and in my opinion, it is going to be a banger. It's already at $31. In my opinion, this is one of my favorites. So you can do your own research. You can see on CoinMarketCap, we have like 10 million coins in total supply. We also have the max supply at 10 million. So you can get a little insight as to, what's going on. It's already up 10% for the day. In my opinion, Tectum is one of my top cryptos. Second one would be LF0. So we have $1. It's at $1. So in my opinion, this is one of the top ones as well. It's one of the ones that I'm looking at for long term. So it's cheap. It's $1, and as you can see, it has been declining over the last couple of hours, but this is not like a get rich quick thing. It's literally has the potential to 10x. So we also have Toncoin. This is my top one. This is my number one, my ace in the hole. In my opinion, this is the one that you want to invest in. No financial advice, but just personally, this is something that I'm looking at. Toncoin, I've looked at this ever since it was around like $2 or less than $1, or less than $2 actually, $1 and some change. And it's already been over 100% since I called it out in the private trading group that we have. So this is one that I'm looking at. It was right around here or something like that. Right around $2 when I looked at it. Let me see the 1 year. Yeah, it was around like $2 when I looked at it. And when I looked into it, this is one of the fastest. It can do the most transactions in the least amount of time, which in my opinion is very, very important if you're trying to get into crypto. Also, it's not expensive. It's cheap. So gas fees, all of that jazz. Like it's a very, 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 very great coin that could 10x in my opinion. It's already, it's already been over 100%, almost 200%. So in my opinion, and that's been over the last 30 days. That hasn't even started after the Bitcoin halving. So I think that this is one of the ones that you want to kind of align yourself with. It does kind of worry me that we have 3 billion in circulating supply and 5 billion in supply, but aside from that, I would think that this is one of the ones that you want to keep your eye on. Okay, so those are my top 3 crypto coins that you want to invest in. Make sure you join our free newsletter, the Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.